our baby Jesus dear. Dearest Mama and Papa, we love you sincerely. Here in our kindergarten, we are happiest can be. As we please for you to our dear teachers now, our diploma on hand, on graduation day we vow. Dearest Mama